Real installations. Local to you. By our own teams.
Just a few of our window and door installations from February 2024. Each uninstalled by our own local teams, here in South Wales.
From traditional sliding sash windows to composite doors with solid hardwood core for real security.
And all colour to your choice, from over 300 colours including Faro and Ball.
Free design and digital home makeovers come together with comprehensive quotes you can easily understand. You cannot get it wrong when you choose South Wales' most recommended family-run window and door company, Heronhurst. We're literally on your doorstep, with a showroom here in Abergavenny so you can view real doors and windows, see actual colours, then design and discuss options with the people who know. Click to www.heronhurst.co.uk to find out more.
Find us on Mill Street Industrial Estate, in the town centre, just behind Aldi and opposite Tool Station.
We're open 6 days a week, and with easy on-site parking, and one of the team always on hand to offer the best advice with no pressure. Many people even bring in their existing home photos for a digital makeover on the big screen of their home's windows and doors, in the style and colour of their choice. It really makes a difference and helps you get it right.
Long-term warranties you can trust.
And all for a clear price that is guaranteed.